In the shadows of the Middle East, a new chapter of conflict has unfolded. Yemen's Houthis, in a bold move, have launched an attack against Israel, stretching the battlefield from the deserts of Yemen to the skies of Israel. This isn't just another skirmish. It's a statement of defiance, a missile or drone crossing thousands of miles to challenge Israeli sovereignty. Israel's response was as swift as it was decisive, with the Iron Dome lighting up the night. Intercepting threats with precision, Israel showed its resolve. But the counterstrike didn't end there. Israeli forces targeted Houthi-controlled ports and energy installations in Yemen, sending a clear message: aggression will not go unanswered. The aftermath in Yemen is a stark reminder of war's cost. Damaged infrastructure smokes, a testament to the escalating tensions. But this conflict doesn't just echo in the region. It reverberates globally. The United States, with its naval presence in the Red Sea, watches intently, poised to defend its interests and allies, highlighting the strategic stakes in this volatile part of the world. This isn't merely a local dispute. It's a geopolitical chess game with players like the U.S., Israel, and Yemen making moves that will have far-reaching consequences. The Red Sea, a critical artery for global trade, now faces potential disruptions, with oil tankers navigating under the shadow of Houthi threats. As diplomats from these nations gather, searching for peace in the midst of war, one thing is clear: the board is on fire. Iran's influence complicates this already intricate situation, adding layers to an already complex narrative. Across the globe, leaders and media analyze this flare-up, pondering its impact on international relations and the delicate balance of Middle Eastern stability. For more on how this story unfolds and its implications for the world, stay tuned to the Spokemaster. Subscribe, stay informed, and stay ahead of the geopolitical currents shaping our world.